Hi, I'm Mary Markle, LISD nurse. Here are 5 simple suggestions anyone can do easily and on the cheap to stave off the winter blues and sniffles. First, raise your vitamin D levels naturally. If you lose just 5% or more of your body weight, your vitamin D blood levels will shoot up. Other ways are to lower your cholesterol, exercise, and eat more fatty fish, such as wild salmon. Protect your skin. Sunscreen is actually more important in the winter. UVA light is tough to avoid because it passes through window glass and stays the same strength all year long. So find a moisturizer that contains broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection. Get a flu shot, if only to be a good citizen. Most people are less freaked out about getting the flu than they are about the flu shot. Getting a flu shot is a random act of kindness that will reduce the chance you'll harbor the virus and pass it on to someone who is more susceptible to illness. Take a class with a friend. Winter can be a tough time for many of us. All that darkness can take its toll on our mental health. Plus, humans are social animals who don't do well in isolation, and the winter months can be very isolating for many people. A suggestion is that you and a close friend sign up for any kind of class together. Not only do classes improve your mental and physical fitness, but they help fill that social craving that we have as human beings. Eat more plants that contain omega-3. Flaxseed and walnuts are especially good sources that have anti-inflammatory effects, as well as skin and cardiovascular protection. Omega-3s also help ward off the winter depression blues. And finally, it may be cold outside, but that's Michigan, and we'll get through it. I'm Mary Markle. Be well.